Need to hard reset your iPad fast? Maybe it's frozen or won't turn on. Well, a hard reset, also called a force restart. Stick around, I'm about to show you the exact steps to force restart it in under 10 seconds. Now, the steps are different depending on which iPad you have, so I'll cover the main two ways. First, for most modern iPads, the ones without a home button. If you have an iPad Pro or a newer iPad Air or iPad Mini, this is for you. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Then, press and hold the top button, that's the power button, until you see the Apple logo appear. Just keep holding until you see it. Second, for iPads with a home button. This is for older models. This one's super simple. Just press and hold both the top button and the home button at the exact same time. Keep holding them both until you see the Apple logo, then you can let go. Is your iPad still acting up after a hard reset? When a simple restart isn't enough, you need FoneLab iOS System Recovery. This powerful tool can fix all kinds of tricky iOS problems. The best part? You can usually repair your system without losing any of your photos or data. Using it is a breeze. Just follow these 3 simple steps. 1. Connect and launch. Plug your iPad into your computer and open FoneLab. Then, select iOS System Recovery from the main menu. 2. Choose your mode. Click Start and pick a repair mode. We recommend starting with Standard mode to protect your data. You can always try Advanced mode later if needed. Click Confirm to continue. 3. Repair and restart. Choose a firmware from the list and click the next button to begin. Sit back and wait for the process to complete. Your device will restart automatically once it's fixed. And that's it. Your iPad should restart, and with any luck, it'll be back to working normally. If this quick tip saved you a headache, give this video a thumbs up. And for more simple tech fixes, don't forget to subscribe. Cheers!